Number 16. There are 5 designs of necklaces available at a jewelry store. Each design is available in 3 types of stones. How many different combinations of one design and one stone of necklace can you have? So based on this, we know that we have 5 design of necklaces and we have 3 types of stone. Look at the question. How many different combination of one design and one stone? Because of those key components, we know that we need to multiply 5 times 3, which is equals to 15 combinations of one design and one stone of necklace. David walked 3 blocks from his house to the bus stop. He rode the bus 19 blocks to the post office. Later, he came he came home the same way. How many blocks did David travel in all? How did we get 44? First, we know that he traveled 3 blocks from his house to the bus stop, and he travels 19 blocks to the post office. So we need to add 19 plus 3 is equals to 22, right? Carry 1, 22. This is one way to the post office. He traveled 22 blocks. But then he came home the same way. That's why we got 44 because we add 22 blocks travel in all. So we added 22 plus 22 equals to 44. Diana's ice cream shop sold 4 sundaes with nuts and 12 sundaes without nuts. What is the ratio of the number of sundaes without nuts to the number of sundaes with nuts? So just remember when we write a ratio, order matters. So look at the question and it says here, what is the ratio of the number of sundaes without nuts first? So it says they sold 12 sundaes without nuts. Therefore, we're going to write 12. And then the next one, it says here, the number of sundaes with nuts. So it's 4. That's why the answer is this. 12 is to 4. Remember, we can write ratio in 3 different forms. 12 to 4 and 12 over 4. Okay, a dairy produced 172.15 liters of milk in 4 hours. How much milk on average did a dairy produce per hour? Round your answer to the nearest thousands. So, if you have your calculator, go ahead and do this. 172.15 divided by 4. So if we do that, 172.15 divided by 4, my answer is 43.0375. But remember, it says here, round your answer to the nearest thousand. So let's review. This is tenths, right? This is hundreds with THS. Remember, tenths, hundreds, thousands. So it says we need to round it off to the nearest thousand. Therefore, we need to get rid this place value, which is 10,000. So, I am number 5. Do I stay in the ground or up in the wind? Very good. Up in the wind. Therefore, I become 0 and I'm gonna make it 8 by adding 1. That's why this is our answer. Okay, for number 20, what is the area of this square? Okay, so remember area is equals to length times width. So let's just multiply 5 times 7, which is 35 square feet.